Pakistan and Uzbekistan have taken a significant step forward in strengthening their bilateral relations, particularly in defense and trade. During a recent visit by Pakistan's Prime Minister to Uzbekistan, both nations agreed to boost their trade volume from $400 million to an ambitious $2 billion. This landmark agreement reflects the growing economic and strategic partnership between the two countries. At the same time, a high-ranking Uzbek defense delegation visited Pakistan, engaging in discussions with top military officials, including the chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee and the Chief of the Air Force. This visit underscored Uzbekistan's keen interest in deepening defense collaboration with Pakistan. One of the key highlights of this engagement is Uzbekistan's confirmed acquisition of Pakistan's Mushshak trainer aircraft. Additionally, discussions are underway regarding the training of Uzbek Air Force pilots in Pakistan, which could further enhance military cooperation. Uzbekistan has also expressed strong interest in expanding joint military exercises and bolstering defense ties with Pakistan. Beyond aircraft procurement, the Uzbek delegation explored various aspects of Pakistan's defense industry, showing particular enthusiasm for electronic warfare systems. As a landlocked nation, Uzbekistan faces unique security challenges, particularly with the presence of extremist groups such as the IMU, Islamic Movement of Uzbekistan, and KP factions in the region. This has driven the country to invest in intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities to counter emerging threats. In recent years, Uzbekistan has procured Bayraktar TB2 drones from Turkey and is now actively seeking long-range strike drones. Given Pakistan's expertise in unmanned aerial systems, platforms like the Shahpar drone have emerged as potential candidates for Uzbekistan's defense modernization. While the exact number of Mushshak aircraft ordered has not been disclosed, experts believe that the deal could pave the way for further defense acquisitions, including advanced UAVs and surveillance systems. Furthermore, Uzbekistan has officially expressed interest in procuring Pakistan's electronic warfare solutions, Spider anti-drone systems, and forging deeper defense industrial cooperation. These developments not only provide economic advantages for Pakistan, but also solidify its strategic footprint in Central Asia. The expansion of defense agreements between Pakistan and Uzbekistan marks a crucial milestone in Pakistan's defense diplomacy. Strengthening military cooperation with a Central Asian state like Uzbekistan enhances regional security dynamics while opening new avenues for Pakistan's defense exports. With both countries committed to deepening their partnership, this collaboration has the potential to reshape regional security